If you're still starting your business venture, there's nothing stopping you. Again, paulit-ulit lang tayo. Nothing is stopping you guys. I've been a patient experience officer, I've been a barista, I've been a construction worker, I've been everything. And throughout all my journey with these work that I've done before, wala akong any regrets. Bakit? Kasi lahat ng may natutunan ako. You'll never know if you're gonna succeed unless you try. Who would know what would be? Nag-financial advisor ka, pwede ka naman mag-FA. Di ba? But if you pursue financial advisor, sasabihin mo after 2 years, sana nag-FA na lang ako, mas malaki pa kinita mo. Who would have known? Baka bumagsak ang aeroplano bigla, di ba? Everything happens for a reason. Ang daming nangyari na I thought was a tragedy. But it turns out a blessing in disguise. I could have done something that I wanted. As long as you trust God. Guys, ito sasabihin ko sa inyo para hindi lang kayo ma-stress. All you can do a day is 100% of your work and time. 101, walang ganun. And leave everything to God. Stress comes from not doing things you know you could have done. Doon nanggagaling yung stress. Stress ka today kasi bakit? Hindi ka nakapag-upload ng new photos. Hindi ka nakagawa ng new post sa Facebook mo. You could have done it, pero tinamad ka. Doon nanggagaling ang stress. But if you know that you exerted 100% of your effort today to achieve whatever goal you want in the long term, then you'll end the day with no stress. Kasi you were productive. Nagawa mo yung dapat mong gawin.